2 times 2 equals 4. So we'll put that aside and keep that for later. Now we can ask, what is 2 times 2 times 2? Well, notice that if we look at the last couple of 2's there, we can use the fact we already know and replace 2 times 2 with 4, simplifying our equation. And then we know 2 times 4 is 8. So 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. Let's save that. Now, what's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2? Let's do the same trick. Look at the last 3 2's. We already did that. It's over there. So we can replace that with 8, and then we just have to do 2 times 8, which is 16. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 16. Let's save that. Now let's go with 5 2's. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Again, look at the last 4. Use the previous equation. Plug that in. And we get 2 times 16. And that's 32. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 32. Now we could keep going and do more and more 2's, but you see we're coming with an issue that we have too many 2's that we're writing down. So let's think about a way. Let's think about a simpler way to write this. Let's come up with a code for what we're trying to do. So for example, instead of writing 2 times 2 times 2, writing all those symbols, let's just write 2 with a little 3 up top. That'll tell us to multiply 3 times. So we can do that with all of these. So if we multiply 2 of them, we get 2 to the 2, 2 to the 3, 2 to the 4, or 2 to the 5. That's just a simpler way of writing what we've been doing so far. And now we can switch all these over, and we get these numbers. Now, let's see what happens when we really go with a bunch of big numbers.